Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this fall autumn colors smoky eye makeup look. To start out this look, I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I'm going to be using this as an eyeshadow base. Next, I'm going to be using a Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette for the light beige shade and putting this on top of the base. This will help the colors blend in together nicely. Next, I'm going to be using the Zulu palette from Juvias Place for the orange shade. I'm going to be using this as the transition color in the crease and also making it into a wing shape on the outer corners. Next, I'll be using the Warrior 2 palette from Juvias Place for the darker orange shade, and I'm going to be using this in the outer corners and the crease as well. Next, using the same palette, I'm going to be using the dark red burgundy shade and putting this in the outer corners and the crease. When doing a smoky eye, I like to put down a base, so here I'm using a brown eyeliner pencil to go all over the lid, and I will top this with a brown eyeshadow. Then using the Warrior 2 palette again, I'm going to be using the medium brown shade and putting this over where I put the eyeliner. This helps the color stand out more and be more rich. Here for the lips, I'm using a Maybelline Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Voyager. And I decided to use a burgundy wig to complete the look. And that completes this fall autumn colors smoky eye makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.